Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing the shoulder seam and the back yoke finishing. We'll be joining it neatly. This is a method you can use for menswear, dressmaking, or any other projects you want to do that has back facing or back yoke. So you're going to cut the front and the back fully with the facing. We are doing two types today. I believe in neatness and neat finishing all the time. So this is the second part, and the second one is the type that has a detachable yoke. The yoke is going to be in two pieces, and the lower back of the back will be the lower part of the back will be joined in the middle of the yoke. You have to just keep it aligned, notch it. Make sure it's well notched so that you know where the middle is, and you got your sewing machine. You place the middle in the lower back in the middle, then you sew. I like sewing from center to the sides. It just gives me a better accuracy, so I think you should try that as well. Then iron it neatly. Neat ironing is one of my perks. Like, I like it. Match the front and the back together with the facing, and you are now going to join the shoulder lines carefully, probably half inch, or if you use cm, maybe 1 cm. After joining this, you go back to your table, then you roll this so that the facing can come back and fold up to meet each other. After it meets each other, make sure it's well folded. Then you sew the shoulders, join it, and you will use the neckline to turn this out. It is easy. It looks a little bit complicated when you look at it, but I tell you, it is very easy to achieve. You're gonna like it. And the technique 2 we're gonna handle now is the one that has a facing. This one does not have a yoke, and this applies to anywhere you want to use facing for as well. So you join the front with the facing. Now work this carefully, and then you turn the fabric to the tip of the shoulder. Ensure it matches well. It may look like it's twisted, but it is not twisted. Join the front and the facing, and you turn the back to forward, so that by the time you sew this and you turn it over, the sewing is inside. The inside of your cloth is neat. For me, when your cloth is turned inside out, how does it look? That's the beauty of sewing and professional finishing. It's not about the cloth looking good outside, but looking good inside out. Remember to subscribe and like.